my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick wig review on this wig that you see right here. That's courtesy of SAMSBEAUTY. But before I jump right into that, let me just say thank you guys. You guys have been showing me so much love. Like, the new year just began and we have like so many new loves. I'm so grateful for my old loves, my new loves, new subbies, people just joining the family. You guys have been joining at an alarming rate and I'm just so thankful, so grateful. I just looked at it today that this time last year I had 500 subbies and this year I have 2,451. So the difference a year makes. You guys are totally rocking with me and I hope that you guys are loving all of the new stuff that I'm trying to bring. New wigs, new looks, you know, new setup, everything that I'm just trying to bring that's new. So let's jump right into the hair deets. So this wig is called the Swiss Lace Invisible Deep Part Lace Wig and it's in the design Poker Straight Bob. So I'm going to show you guys the stock card. So this is the stock card and this young lady, the model, is wearing it probably in a teal color. But I'm rocking it in OT Blue Black. So I just did a style video, if you haven't seen it already, with a teal wig. So I didn't want to rock another teal wig back to back. So I decided to go ahead and get in an OT Blue Black. And if you guys seen my other video where I was rocking a longer blue black hair from the Stylist company, if I didn't already say, the Stylist company, like, their wigs are on point. Let me just tell you that. So yeah, I was rocking another blue black hair and I loved how it looked on my skin complexion, and I've been wanting to rock a bob, so look at, I got a 2-for-1 special. So I hope that you guys love it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe and let me know what you guys think in the comment section. There's really not much I can tell you guys about this wig other than it has a 4-inch deep invisible part and it's a center part, so it only parts down the center. And yeah, it's a bob. It goes shorter in the back, longer in the front. It was super simple to cut it, to cut the lace, to customize it. I just literally put on some mineralized skin finish. I did cut baby hairs, but it is totally optional. Like right now, I'm not even using the baby hairs because I did film earlier with baby hairs, and then afterwards I feel like I didn't need to do all that. That was just being extra. Sorry, it is hot. So I did cut baby hairs earlier, but I just realized like it's totally optional and I didn't even need them right now, so don't even waste your time. But other than that, it's not really much I can say other than I love it. It's what I expected. I just love how easy it is to just put on. It's so sexy. I feel like I'm like a, I don't know, you know that Taraji film that's about to come out, Proud Mary? I feel like I'm ready to like kick butt, do some type of action movie, I don't know. But yeah, so I hope you guys love it. You guys let me know. The footage that you guys are gonna see was filmed in natural lighting, and so I just went ahead and was like, let me go ahead and use my lights, stop messing with y'all, so you guys can get the full detail of this wig. So please bear with me that the other part wasn't filmed with this same lighting, but I hope you guys love it and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Take it back to when the fever touched my skin. We could start again, and we could just begin when we were alone, so alone, and I couldn't know that you were so good.
We're so
It was so wrong. One night, it